Tips Max.
Hi viewers, in this video I am going to share you an easy division trick. If you want to divide any number by 5, 25 or 125, I will suggest you a shortcut trick. If you know that trick, you can divide any number without doing division. And moreover, you can find the answer within few seconds also. So let me explain this trick in this video. First, let us see the shortcut tip to divide any number by 5. So let us take an example. Here is a problem 424 divided by 5. First, we are supposed to take the dividend. Dividend means the number what we are going to divide. So the first step what we are going to do is we should double the dividend. Double means we should multiply the number with 2. So if you multiply it with 2, we will get 848. This is the first step. Second, we are supposed to move the decimal point to one digit left. So in this problem, we are having the decimal point at the last. Since it's not the decimal number, the decimal point is after 8. So if we move one digit left, we will get the decimal point in between 4 and 8. So if we keep the decimal point between 4 and 8, we will get 84.8. So this is the answer for 424 divided by 5. So let me repeat it again. Instead of dividing by 5, we are going to multiply the dividend by 2. And finally, we are moving the decimal point to one digit left. So always doubling the number is very easy. So we can get the answer very quickly. So now let us solve another problem using the same shortcut trick. So here is a problem. First we are supposed to take the dividend and we are going to double the dividend. So we are going to multiply the number 754.5 with 2. So if we multiply, we will get 1509.0, that is 1509. Second, we are going to move the decimal point to one digit left, that is we are going to keep the decimal point between 0 and 9. So if we keep, we will get 150.9. So this is the answer for 754.5 divided by 5. So if we know the shortcut, we can divide any number by 5 very easily and quickly also. So next, let us see the shortcut tip to divide any number by 25. The same trick only we are going to follow for 25 also with a little bit modification. Let us see the changes too. So here is a problem 946 divided by 25. So if you want to use this shortcut trick, the first step what we are supposed to do, we should take the dividend and we should multiply it with 4. In case of 5, we have multiplied the dividend by 2. In case of 25, we should multiply the dividend by 4. So if we multiply it with 4, we will get 3784. So this is the first step. The second step, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 2 digit left. So in this problem, we are having decimal point at the last. So if we move the decimal point to 2 digit left, we will get the answer is 37.84. So this is the answer for 946 divided by 25. So if you want to divide a number by 25, instead of dividing it, we can multiply the number by 4 and we can move the decimal point to 2 digit left. Since multiplication is very easy comparing to division, if you follow this method, you can get the answer very easily and quickly also. So let us solve another problem using the same shortcut trick. So here is a problem. So first we are supposed to take the dividend and we have to multiply the dividend by 4. So if we multiply the dividend by 4, we will get 1,04,920. The first step is over. In the second step, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 2 digit left. So if we move the decimal point to 2 digit left, we will get the answer as 1049.20. So far we have seen the shortcut tip to divide any number by 5 or 25. Now let us see the shortcut tip to divide any number by 125. So let us solve using an example. So here is a problem 1204 divided by 125. So if you want to use this shortcut trick, first we are supposed to take the dividend and multiply it with 8. So if we multiply 1204 with 8, we will get 9632. Next, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 3 digit left. So if we move the decimal point to 3 digit left, we will get 9.632 since the decimal point is at the last of the number. So let me repeat it again. If you want to divide any number by 125, instead of dividing it, we can multiply the dividend by 8 and next we are supposed to move the decimal point to 3 digit left. So using this shortcut, let us solve another problem also. So here is a problem. So if you want to use the shortcut, first we are supposed to take the dividend and multiply it with 8. So if we multiply, we will get 58,82,112. In the next step, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 3 digit left. So if we move to left, we will get the answer as 5882.112. So we can get it very easily and quickly without using division. So to summarize, we shall say if you want to divide any number by 5, instead of dividing, we shall multiply it with 2. Next, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 1 digit left. So the next step is that if you want to divide any number by 25, we shall multiply that number by 4 and we shall move the decimal point to 2 digit left. And finally, if you want to divide any number by 125, we are supposed to multiply the dividend by 8. Next, we are supposed to move the decimal point to 3 digit left. So now let me explain the reason for multiplying the dividend by 2, 4 or 8 and moving the decimal points to left instead of dividing the number by 5, 25 or 125. So some might have known. Those who are interested to know the reason may continue watching the video. So let us take the same example what we have seen before, 424 divided by 5. So let us rewrite the expression as 424 by 5, that is writing the 5 in the denominator. See, in case of division, it is easy to divide any number by 10, 100 or 1000. But in this case, we are having the denominator as 5. But if we change the denominator to 10, then division will be very easy. If we want to change the denominator to 10, we are supposed to multiply the denominator by 2. So if we multiply the denominator by 2, so we should multiply the numerator with 2. So let us multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. So if we multiply, what we will get? 424 divided by 10 into 2. So the meaning of this expression is we are supposed to multiply the dividend with 2. Next, we should divide that value by 10. That is, we should move the decimal point to 1 digit left. So that is the shortcut what we have seen in this video. We have doubled the dividend with 2. Next, we had moved the decimal point to 1 digit left. So I think you had understood. So next, let us see the reason for 25 also. Here is a problem, 946 divided by 25. So first step, let us rewrite as, that is, we shall take the 25 in the denominator. So if we change the denominator to 100, division would be very easy. So if you want to make it as 100, we are supposed to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. The value will not change. So next, let us rewrite the equation as 946 by 100 into 4. The meaning of this expression is we are supposed to multiply the dividend by 4 and next we should divide that value by 100. That is, we have to move the decimal point to 2 digit left. So this is the shortcut what we have seen. So next, let us see the reason for multiplying a number by 8 when we have to divide any number by 125. So some might have guessed. Let me explain also. So let us read it as 1204 divided by 125, that is 125 in the denominator. So if you make the denominator as 1000, division will be very easy. So if you want to make it as 1000, we should multiply the numerator and denominator with 8. So after multiplying, we will get 1204 divided by 1000 into 8. So the meaning of this expression is we are supposed to multiply the dividend by 8. Next, we should divide that value by 1000. That is, we should move the decimal point to 3 digit left. So this is the shortcut what we have seen. So I think you might have understood the division trick very clearly. If you have any doubt, you may ask me in the comment section. So if you like this video, press the like button, share to your friends, subscribe our channel Tricky Tips Max. If you want to receive notifications whenever I am posting the video, press the bell icon. Thank you.